Check out this GMC 2021 Sierra 1500 AT4. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: preferred equipment group 4SP, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, 18x8.5 machined aluminum wheels, 20x9 machined aluminum, front bucket seats, perforated leather appointed front seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar and off-road suspension. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.